Introducing the Bless by Nightingale. Here's how to make the most of your new task chair. Start by adjusting the height of your seat. To lower, lift the lever on the right-hand side of the chair upwards while sitting. To raise the height, lift the same lever upwards with all of your weight off the seat. Next, adjust the position of the seat. Lift the lever in front of the one you just used. When the lever is activated, move your seat to the desired position while seated, then release the lock. The Bless has an optional tilt function. To free float, find the lever on the left-hand side of the chair and push backwards. To lock the chair in place, push the lever forward. To adjust the arm height, lift the trigger found just below the arm pads and move into desired position. Release the lock. The arm should be at a 90-degree angle. To adjust the width, open the lever at the base of the armrest and adjust to desired position. To pivot your armrests, simply twist the arm pads. You can also adjust position by sliding the arm pads forwards or backwards. Finally, adjust your lumbar support. Place your hands behind the chair and lift the knob up or down to desired height. Release to lock. Now, this Bless chair is uniquely yours.